Hey guys, JV here. I gotta tell you, I'm so excited this video. One thing you can learn about me is I love audio. I love to listen to music. It's just something that just absolutely just blows me away. And running now is my new thing. As you know, I didn't qualify for Boston, my first marathon. I got one coming up April 27th. It looks like I'm gonna go to Toledo, Ohio. I'll do it in 3:30. I'm gonna train really hard. I got a full training schedule now. And part of that is gonna be earphones, right? So I started off running with the Beats, right? So these were the Beats in-ear headphones, and these go in your ear, right? So when you're running outside, especially when you're doing like a 20 miler or 15 miler, you can, it blocks your hearing. So I found these Shoks, right? And I did a review of these Shoks. You could see that video. And this is my go-to. These fit over years. They're bone conducting. And they work out real well, and I that's why I wore my last marathon. I like them. They just tend to work, right? And I'm real happy with the Shoks. The battery lasts. Haven't had any issues. Full marathon. I ended up doing it in 4 hours. Wasn't 3:30, but they lasted all 4 hours. So these have been my go-to outside. If I'm inside, I still wear my Beats. Well, Nank, N-A-N-K, sent me their new headphones. Now, what's cool about these headphones is that they are the best of both worlds, meaning you can kind of bend them so you're in the ear, and when you don't want them in the ear, you can take them out. So let's unbox this. A couple other things, let me just get you the name. They're the Runner Diver 2 Pro. They did send me these. I'm not getting compensated. I can say anything I want. I can do anything I want with them, but they did send them to me. They are Bluetooth. They are IP69 waterproof. So that's the other thing. These are waterproof, so you can wear them in the water. Fast charging. They got a waterproof microphone and 10 hours of battery life. So pretty cool competitor to the Shoks, and I'm going to do obviously a double review, but I just wanted to get, or a comparison eventually with this, but I just wanted to get these unboxed. I've had them for a while. I ran my marathon. I haven't had a chance to get these unboxed. So first of all, the box is pretty cool. It has a little tab to help you pull it out, which is nice. And here they come, okay? So let's just take a look at these. Okay, they are over the ear. Oh, wow, okay, that's kind of a cool feel. That's kind of a cool feel that it kind of bends back and forth. You can see that there. Okay, what else do we have in the box? We have, oh, okay, so this is kind of cool. These are earplugs. So one of the things people have always said about the Shoks, right? And we'll compare the size. They look about the same size. They really do. I guess the Shoks are a little bit smaller. Maybe a little bit smaller, but they're pretty close. Is that when you're using bone conducting headphones, one of the things you can do is put earplugs in, and it'll actually make it sound louder. Now, obviously, it defeats the purpose of why I'm running, because I want to run and be able to hear stuff that's around me, but that is an option that they give you. You also have a little holder here for something. I have to figure out what that is. A user's manual, and then you have, well, look at this. These are little various inserts, again, I would assume to kind of block your hearing that work with the bone conducting headphones. So I have to, in the next video, I'll talk a little bit more about those and we can see what they are. And then obviously you have a charging cable. So that's pretty cool. So we've got everything that we need here. And again, these are, what do these say these are? I need my glasses because these are pretty cool. These are sound quality enhancers. Depending on the size of your ear, they have small, medium, and large. And basically, you follow the markings and you put the logo out, and it helps you with the instructions of this. It'll help you with the sound. Kind of like same thing with the earplugs, which is kind of cool whenever you're using them inside. This is waterproof IP69, which means dropping or breathing the impact of a high place, contains soaps or suds. You don't want to do that. Is equipped with IP69 dustproof and waterproof. So that's kind of cool. So that obviously for sweat, that's going to be a big part of it. So you have your earbud, the two earplugs, the silicone adjuster strap, and I don't know how exactly that works. We have the magnetic charging cable, which is USB to USB. Oh, it's a magnetic. Okay, so it is a little different. Just so you know, the charger is one of those kind of different type chargers. And then, so you're going to have to use the proprietary charger. Kind of, I don't like that, but it is what it is, right? I like to have USB-C. It just makes life easier. Let's go ahead and try to connect it to the phone and see. We've got a function button down here on the bottom. We have volume, and function. We have a microphone hole on this side. And like I said, one of the things that we have an indicator light. And we have the charging port, which happens to be right here. As we showed, this would go here, and then it just connects on there to charge, right? So that's the magnetic charging port. So we'll have to charge it up. But let's just try it, connect it. So if I hit the mode button, does it turn on? Let's see. Yep. And you know me, I just like to do things right outside the box, kind of show you how things work. And my big thing right now is the only problem I have with the Shoks is I wish I could get it a little louder. So let's go ahead and let's put some music on. And we got some running music there. And I want to turn that down because I don't want to get myself demonetized because I'm doing that. Okay, so if we come here, let me go to Bluetooth, see if I can find it. Here we go, Bluetooth. And let's see, we got this working. Let's see, it says it's blinking Bluetooth. So let's see, show more. Gym, basement, other. You can see I got a lot of stuff going on here. So let's see, we are blinking with Bluetooth. Let me just try it real quick. Volume, function, volume, connect. Connect the mobile phone first. Turn on the Bluetooth. The same. Let's see if we can see it. Let's go into Bluetooth. Bluetooth. And let's try this and see if we can get it real quick. Settings, obviously. Settings, Jimmy, settings. Settings will help. Okay, I have so much stuff on here. Let's see. Ah, there it is. Okay, we got it. Okay, let's put these bad boys on. We're going to come to this camera now. Okay, I heard it clink, clink. Okay, feels pretty good. Okay, there we go. Okay, I hear the music. Music is coming through. Let's turn it up. Okay. First thing I'm going to tell you is there's a lot more bass in these. I can actually feel the vibration. Now let me turn it. Oh, I like, yeah, so if I want to turn it in, it can get pretty loud. But if I'm running on the sidewalk, or running, I can hear it pretty good. I hear more bass in it. Yeah, I definitely, I like the fit of it a little bit better because my head's a little bit weird shape. They have to order special football helmets for me. Volume's pretty good. Let me see how loud I can get this thing. That's the other one. Pretty good, pretty good. Now, the one thing we had on the Shoks was a button to change the song. I guess you have to hit the middle one. That pauses. So I have to figure out the functionality. But we have a 20% to 55% turn in it. But it definitely gets a lot louder. You can hear me getting a lot louder because when you put that on, it's coming through there. And you can feel that vibration. Like you can really feel it. Let's put some earplugs in. I just try to see what happens. I'm not going to wear these with earplugs. Yeah, so when you put the earplugs in, it's more like an in-ear. It plugs off the noise, and it really does give you a little bit more of a kick to it. So yeah, I mean, they're pretty close to the Shoks. I'm going to do a comparison between those two. If you could leave some questions down below. Fit's pretty good. I think when I'm running, they're going to be good. I can still hear what's going on around me, and they're pretty comfortable. So first take out of the box, I like them. Pretty good product. Again, these are the Nank Runner Diver 2 Pro Bone Conduction Headphone for Sports. With the link down below, it's MorningCoach. They forgot to put the R in. There's a 35% discount, so they're like $104. So that's a pretty good deal for some over-the-ear bone conducting headphones if you're a runner. Sound great. I'm enjoying them. I like them. I think there's a little more bass in these than the Shoks. So again, comments down below, questions please, because I want to get the comparison video. What do you want to know the difference between, really, these are the two competitors. What is the difference? What's the main difference? I'm going to charge it up, see how long the charge lasts, and see if it works for me. I need to turn off this music because it's driving me nuts. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for being a part of this community. You are awesome. A like if you like the video, a subscribe if you want to be a part of this community, and we just keep rocking and rolling. Nank, N-A-N-K, Runner Diver 2 Pro, first take unboxing. I like them. We're going to be using these things and testing them out. Comparison coming between the Shoks and this so you can make a comparison for yourself. All right, go have a great one. We'll see you in the next video.